This is like the loudest rainstorm I've ever heard. And it just keeps on going and going and going. That rainstorm was so incredibly loud. It was like someone was pouring like a bucket of gravel on my head. The theme of today's vlog should be about being tired. I'm tired right now. In 6 hours from now, I have to wake up and take Maya to work. That means that I want to get this vlog done as soon as possible, so it's going to be a slightly different format today. Remember that parcel that Maya was fumbling with for ages yesterday? This is my Rotex label maker from Dymo. You can see how dusty the box is. This is my vintage Rotex label maker. I've never ever actually used it. I found it on a factory floor probably about 8 years ago. And I've only just got round to getting the tape. I managed to find this tape. This is genuine, like 1970s, from when this one was made. Tape for the label maker. I got a whole stack of it from Bristol, from a stationery shop that was closing down, and this was in the back room. I've got it. Like I said, this is my first time using this label maker, and it looks like it's in pretty good shape. Just the O is a little bit dull, but all the rest of the letters so far good. You know, what I love about things like this is a really analog device, and it's so well designed, it's so simple, anyone can figure it out. It's kind of simple, but it's also kind of genius. As far as I'm concerned, this is an example of great design. Eh, what do you think? Customized. I love that. I put my name on everything. I love these super well designed analog objects. Not only is it well engineered, it's also well thought through. The grip is obvious. There's no question about how you're supposed to hold this item, and then the trigger is right there, naturally where your hand wants to fall. The dial also has grips all the way around, so it's ergonomic and easy to twist. It's clearly labeled and has a really simple system. You simply move the letter to the marker, pull the trigger. And the feed is also well designed. It's just as simple as it could possibly have been done. I've used other devices where you have to feed a tape into a gun, and you'd be surprised how unnecessarily complicated that process can be made. It also has great haptic feedback, kind of like how your keyboard has haptic feedback. Needless to say, now I'm going to be labeling everything. How was your meeting? Good?
Great.
Great. Maya had a meeting in town today. We're thinking about setting up kind of like a social media management side to the business. That's Maya's background. She was working in social media marketing, or at least she will be for a few more days. And we're thinking maybe there's a way to combine her content creation skills with my design knowledge, and maybe we can come up with some good ideas for clients. The diet has begun. I'm only eating soup and fruit boxes from now on. I only like fruit if it's already been cut up for me. Back to work. I'm trying to be healthier now. It's really boring though, isn't it? Fruit sucks. I like cakes and pastry. You want to go to the shop?
Let's go.
Can I get you dinner? What do you want? If you could invent a new kind of dinner, what would it be?
Mexican.
You just reinvent Mexican. Okay. This is my favourite kind of writing biro. Let's get some pencils as well. Maya's made me a little title card for her new segment in my vlog. She's giggling away. Let's see what she's done.
Why do you hate it?
I might love it. It's kind of really cheesy and stupid and dumb, but I kind of love it. Don't you? Bedtime. It's 11 o'clock and I'm at home with Maya. I'm not editing a video at 2 a.m. So that's good. Happy to have me? Do you know what I'm not good at is when there's a mirror, I'm not good at like holding the phone so that my face is in it. I've noticed that always end up holding it like this.
Yeah.